I mean, yeah, another question some guy asked, do you need a Costco membership to do Costco orders?
No, I actually haven't done one yet, but I mean, you just have a
I've
bar.
done one. Yeah, you just,
Yeah.
like when you check out, it prompts like a barcode that you
Hmm.
scan. Um,
Yeah.
Another person said, do you think people are using bots to instantly accept good batches?
What the hell?
Hey, I think so. What about you? They
I think
definitely are using, they
people
definitely
are,
use bots, right?
yeah.
They have little robots set up that tap the screen really fast.
I don't even know how to respond
This
to
is
that
from
question.
Happy Camper. She also said, today I spent 2 hours waiting for deliveries. My area is pathetic.
Yeah, I think that, unfortunately, some areas are just not as good as others. And
Somebody
I mean,
actually commented, it's their market is really oversaturated with shoppers. And
hmm
I
yeah,
have never heard that
I
anywhere.
have.
Oh, you
I've
have?
heard that.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, I
Maybe I
have
should
heard
delete my
that.
comment. I was like,
No,
because I guess people
so
need money, so they're signing up. So is that why?
maybe, yeah, and just not as much demand because I think, I don't know, for whatever reason, like maybe like some town in Illinois isn't as hip to using Instacart as like people in California are, you know what I mean?
Definitely, yeah.
So there's that, and then just I think, I mean, it may be worth trying to go to a larger city. Like if you're not far from a larger city, you can drive further from your, home base and still get batches.
Yeah.
So if they're like a half hour away from a larger city, maybe it's worth doing that.
He said he's outside of Houston.
I would expect that to be a good area to do batches in. That seems
Maybe
weird. I
maybe
mean, I
he's
would
in like a small suburb or like that.
maybe, but
Yeah.
maybe if he drove closer to Houston, maybe he would get batches.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
not sure. Like, I mean, I've some people in Florida have been going crazy saying that it's like the batches disappear so fast. Like they have to be like ready to hit it really quickly or else they won't get it.
Hmm.
Where here I look at batches and it's like they stay up there for a while. So I can really take my time to look at them.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's different. It's a little bit different everywhere.